Charismatic leaders can transmit their emotions and influence followers through so-called emotional contagion, unquote. Developing student leadership. Youth. The youth who will determine the future of the Philippines should not only get involved, but also each one of you should be a leader. Leadership is not about personality. It's about behavior, an observable set of skills and abilities. Leaders are not born. It takes practice to develop the qualities of a leader. Here are some ways to be a leader and develop leadership abilities. Bullet. Become an officer of the glee club, the debate team, the student government, or your class. Just step up. Bullet. Play to your strength. Get involved in something you're passionate about. Every person has a certain talent or skill that he possesses above all others. Hanapin mo yun. Yun ang linya mo, magiging leader ka dyan. Bullet. Even when you don't have the lead role, you can still stand out by contributing as a team player. Being a team player is also a valuable leadership skill. Bullet. Sign up for more than one activity. You don't have to be president of every organization you join, but it is important to be well-rounded.